Just a quick look at my two favorite features on this Kreg portable router table. Well, first and foremost, I really like the wide splayed leg set. They use a heavy gauge steel and it's got a nice blue finish on it. Plus, with the addition of these rubber feet, I feel like the table is sturdy whether I clamp it down to my tool stand or not. In fact, I'm a fan of Kreg's general purpose tool stands as well. This one kind of does double duty between my Kreg Foreman and my router table. And my second favorite feature on this router table is the twist lock style inserts. They're just so easy to remove and swap out for a different size depending on what bit you're running. I've had difficult time in the past with other brands using snap-in style inserts, and they're just difficult to install, hard to remove, and they don't always level out flush, and I haven't had any of those issues with these twist lock style inserts. And a nice router leveling system makes all the difference. This is a good one with 8 points of contact from underneath. And once you get that all leveled up, it just installs with 4 bolts from the top. And I like that that opening is big enough to let me easily swap out the bits with a simple pair of bent wrenches. So if you're searching for a router table, whether that's something that you need to take along with you to a job site or just set up in the shop, I think this Kreg portable router table would be a great choice.